Jotelo madongo mawuok e pacho ka kod piny malibamba ma Ethiopia oromo ka kuma Turkana ma milambo neno wach mosebedo ka kelo midhiere gweng' ma Todonyang ma yudore e tong' mar Kenya kod Ethiopia. Matimore bang' monj kod nek ma ji dweche adek mokadho e tong'no ma Todonyang kama ji maromo 50 nowito ngimagi. Oganda mar Desanech mawuok Ethiopia kod Turkana ma Kenya osebedo ka gwanore gino manomiyo lor tong'no ma Kenya gi piny Ethiopia, gino moseketho ohala kod wuoth. Jaotemo gen ma duoko kwe alworano mar Ateker John Munyes owacho ni winjruok koro osebedo kendo tong'no ibiro yawo.
Of professionals, international organizations, the two governments have met in Kakuma, Turkana, to deliberate on how these conflicts can be countered. And today we have gotten the commitment of two levels of government from both Ethiopia and Kenya to say that they are going to work as a team to contain the Turkana-Dashnach conflict.
Right now, what happened is when the two fishermen Turkana killed by the Dashnach fishermen, what happened is that the government of Ethiopia had to apprehend them, and now they are arrested. Even the arms they confiscate, then it was taken to the government of Ethiopia. This discussion is following that incident because the other previous two incidents were something which brought attention from both governments, especially the people who lost life.
We have resolved to open the border again. We resolved to undertake joint security coordination. We have also resolved in the next few weeks to bring the two warring communities to start discussing how to bring peace and live in harmony along this border.